Hey YouTube, go on, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we're going to change our tail light. This is this crack right here, the Ford Transit. Once your tail light look like this, it's how you change your tail light. You want to go ahead and open up the rear door. Open up the door you want to change it on. It's going to be the same thing for either side, so it doesn't matter left or right. So once you open the door, that door just to give us space, but let's see what we got. It's gonna be a T25 torque. So take these two out right here, one right there, one right here. Seems like it's only two that's holding it, so let's go ahead and get that. Alright, so T25, take that out, take that out. Now you can see it get really loose, so you want to rock and pull back that way. Alright, we got the top one to come off already. This is what's holding it right there. We're gonna do let the bottom part come out, then we can go down, turn it over. This, you want to squeeze this right here, unplug that. So that's how you do that. There's a little spider running just now. Alright, so this is our new tail lamp. If I can find a link in the description, I will go ahead and add it in there so you guys can this comes straight from the dealer from AutoNation Ford, but let's go ahead and get this in. So these two, they help to hold it in there. One right here, one right there. Also plug it in first. Once that's plugged in, you want to make sure this part go back under here, just like that, and also try to line up the holes. Once you line up the holes, you just want to push in on it so it can sit down. The pin can go down in the slot over there. Go ahead, remove this just like this. It's very easy guys, like it's very easy, nothing hard. And get back to this. These you just want to snug them up. That's all that is. You want to turn on your light, make sure everything is working. And you can finish, take off your plastic just like that. Should have peeled it back from the corner, but we still can get it out. I leave this on so I don't scratch it. Turn that on. Forward flusher on. You can see it's doing its thing, and everything is good so far. So we're gonna leave it like that. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out. See you next time.